Orlando. Hey guys, I'm inviting you to come to our group class in Orlando this February the 10th, 11th, and the 12th. You've been asking for it. It's going to be my first time in Orlando. Yes, it's confirmed. I'm going to be in Orlando February 10th, 11th, and the 12th. As you can see, the flyers, it's all over the place, you know what I'm saying? So we are waiting for you. Come check it out, you know what I'm saying? Come learn the best Kompa steps, the best Kompa skills. Kompa is a beautiful dance, especially for couples that want to get connected together, get, you know, the sensation, the chemistry together, doing the same thing, enjoying the same passion. We are waiting for you in Orlando. For private class, call 561-644-4037. If you want to have a private class with me in Orlando, call 561-644-4037. This is the flyer. This is the flyer on the screen. You know, you have the address. Just come in and we are waiting for you. Get your ticket right now on New Live Dance Studio / Orlando.